Here I have Samsung Galaxy Note 8 and let me show you all ways of taking screenshots on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the screen that you want to capture. In my case, it could be, for example, the calendar. Let's just simply assume that I want to save the following screen. So all I have to do is use the following combination of keys: the power key and volume down. Let's hold down together these two keys for 2 seconds. Let me show you. And as you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Let's hold down together power key and volume down simultaneously, and you just capture another screenshot. Now let me show you the second way of taking screenshots. You have to swipe your hand to the left or to the right on your screen, of course. Let me show you, and you just capture the screen. Let me show you one more time. Let's swipe your hand, and you just capture the following screen. So that's it. Now if you would like to share, edit or delete taken screenshots, you have to find the screenshot folder. You can do it by using the upper bar, and here by finding the screenshot captured. You can also accomplish that by using the home screen, and here by finding and selecting the gallery. Choose the albums, choose screenshots. Let's choose your screenshot, and now you can share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with the following screenshots. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.